What's up, y'all? Happy, what is today? Today's Tuesday. Let me make sure, guys. Today's Tuesday, January the 27th. We are out here. We're back. Hope you guys were safe during this winter storm that we did not. We just got rain, just cold rain. Never lost power. So anyway, we're out here at a job. This is a new client. It's Rachel. She found me online, and I came out here, did an in-home consultation maybe a few weeks ago, and she said, Courtney, I had someone do these floors, and after watching your videos, it was nothing like. She said, I don't even remember them buffing the floors, and I don't think they did buff the floors. And this is why I say, guys, you got to be careful who you hire. You got to do some research, because the finish is peeling. Look like they use a cheap finish. They just put it on the floor, and now it's peeling off. So we're gonna scratch that off. We're gonna do some color correction, screen recoat, UV cure, and also the granite countertop. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. Guys, so we are in Dacula, Georgia. Now, when we get the coating down here, we will be going to Flowery Branch to do a consultation, and we're booked for the rest of the week. Actually have 3 projects for next week, so we're booking up. But guys, look at this. Let me zoom in. Look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna get these floors looking so much better today. Gonna get some good finish on them. Also over here, all through here, really the finish is just going. Got some color correction areas. The main one is right up in here. Look at that, guys. Make sure I get a good picture of that so you can see the color is going. And look over here. Look, the finish is actually peeling off. So she said, yeah, Courtney, when we moved in, some guy came in and she said, Courtney, what I saw in your videos was nothing like what we experienced. Look over here, guys. Look at that. Wow. So I'll tell people, man, do your research. I know sometimes people just want to call and get a price. How much you charge? How much you charge? How much you charge? But then sometimes this is what happened, guys. All right, guys, we're going ahead and get started, and stay tuned.
Sometimes you don't need new floors. You just need somebody who knows what they're doing. They tried before. Let it peel and let it wrong, but today we fixed it. Dacula, Georgia. Truman walked in. She found me online, yeah, she made that call. Said another company messed up her floors, yeah, they dropped the ball. Didn't screen it right, finished up peeling away. A year later, still stressing, floor looking played. Hey, I walked in calm, said I got you today. 1 day process, UV cure, no delay. Color correction, erase that past. Made it look brand new, yeah, we fixed it fast. UV cured in 1 day. Color correction like it never was there. From peeling and stress to glossy and clean. Now the whole house glowing, know what I mean. Floors look amazing, countertops shine. Buff, polish, seal, yeah, the timing divine. They tried before, but they couldn't compare. Truman came through, made it flawless and clear. Granite countertops, door from the years clean. Buff, polish, seal, crystal clear, no replacement. No mess, no stress, just real restoration done the right way, yes. Owner operated, I'm the one on site. Not a salesman, promise I'm the work and the light. From the floors to the stone, every surface correct. When I leave the whole home, demand respect. 1 day floors, UV cured. UV cured. No sanding, no replacement. Dacula, GA, restore the right way.
Guys, that's gonna do it. Now the first thing, let's highlight. Look at that color correction. Look at that, guys. Man, almost like it never even happen. All right, now look at these floors now. You guys go back to the beginning of the video. Remember how these floors was flaking? Again, whoever did it the first time, they didn't prep the floor properly. So I screened the floor. Then I did a wet screen, okay, that was kind of to raise the fibers, also knock off any of the existing seal or coating what was flaking off the floor. Then we cleaned the floor again. Then we did our color correction, dry buff. Then we coated with the rag coat UV cure. Floors look phenomenal. All right, guys. Also, look at those countertops. I had my client come up and look at the countertops. She said, "Oh my God, Courtney, they are so shiny." I mean, guys, look, you can see before we even started, you could not see any of this reflection from the lights. You can see the reflections from the light now. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at that reflection. I mean, you can actually see the reflection from the from this I forget what you call it, the lightning, the lights hanging. You can see it reflecting right there. Oh, this is beautiful right here. Look at the lights reflecting from the, you can even see the walls. You can even see the tile walls reflecting. So I got this nice clean buff polish and seal on the granites. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for today. I'm going to go ahead back to the office. You got to do some admin work. Got some things in the works for the new year. We're coming into the new year's. We are into the New Year's. And tomorrow we'll be in Gainesville, Georgia. That job that we did last, I think Friday, where they had too much of that ink on the floor. They had to resand the floor, so he's going to have me back out this Friday afternoon to recoat the floors. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh, this looks really good. Oh, also, too, remember up here when I first came in, you can see all those scuff marks. They were just so worn. Look at that now. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys. See you in the next one.